In this tutorial, we will learn how to create this glow effect in Photoshop. You can download these images from the link in the description. Drag the like image to Photoshop. Adjust its size while holding the Shift button. When you finish, press Enter. Create a new group. Rename the group. Put the like layer inside that group. Right-click and change the group color. Duplicate the like layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 5. Change the blending mode to screen. Duplicate this layer. Double-click on Gaussian Filter. Set the radius to around 37 pixels. Duplicate this layer. Duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Render, choose Lighting Effects. Change the presets to Flashlight. Adjust it as you like. When you finish, press OK. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Brightness Contrast. You can always adjust the lighting if needed. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Hue Saturation. Click on Colorize. Adjust the saturation. Adjust the hue to the same color as the like image. Change the blending mode to color. Go to Layer Style and choose Blending Options. Adjust the underline layer. Hold Alt to split the transition. When you finish, press OK. Click on this layer and go to Select, choose Subject. Again, go to Select and choose Inverse. Click on the mask from the Hue Saturation layer. Set the foreground color to white. Press Delete. Go to Select and choose Deselect. Double-click on the mask. Adjust the feather. Choose the Brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is black. Set the opacity to 100 and the flow to 30%. Start removing the extra red color. Here's the before, here's the after. That's it, hope you liked it.